Hi, I'm Ria.
And I'm Hugh.
And welcome to our Sweet Digs. But before you come in, subscribe below. Okay, come in. We live in downtown Newark with our two dogs, Chip and Charlie, and we pay $3,600 in rent. I think that's a sweet deal. How about you?
Think so too.
We live in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. We have a steam room, sauna, gym, and a game room. The best thing about living in Jersey is that you get more space and they're able to fit a washer and dryer in a unit. And added bonus, we also store things to the side of it. Any little nicks and knacks. And this is our guest room that also serves as an office. What I don't like about the guest room is the headboard. That was something that my husband picked out. Not a fan of it, but it can do for now. We have a television in every single room, but no one ever comes in here. I have the TV all to myself in this room, and I don't have to hear my husband in the living room. Another really cool thing is that our guests have their own bathroom. We stocked it up with some great products. We're obsessed with ASO. We have not had any guests stay in here yet. We've only been living here for about like 8 months, so I'm sure soon enough. This is our kitchen.
My favorite thing about this space is pretty much that it's open, it's all glass. I really love just watching the seasons, having an all glass apartment. You can be a voyeur. And I love to share the kitchen, making a meal with my wife.
We used to live down the block in a loft. It didn't have much light, which was an issue for me. We decided to come check it out and be nosy, and that's how we, ended up putting in an application for this place. My husband, when we moved into the space, he wanted a different table, and I was just more like, no, I love this table that we have here, and we made it work, and it looks great.
In this place, it just seemed like the table would overpower the space, a little bit too rustic, a little bit too large, but my wife was right, it worked out.
And I wouldn't change it for the world. This is the living room.
Our home style is very minimalist. Our parents are from the Caribbean, so they're heavy on putting stuff everywhere. So when we come home, we just want to have that serene, peaceful vibe. We travel a lot and we stay at these luxury hotels, so we just wanted to bring that feeling from our travels home. Everything is inside the credenza, the speakers are hidden. You'll hear the sound, but you won't see the sound.
Sometimes it's a little too loud. Our splurge is this leather couch. We do have 2 dogs, and when you have fabric, just in the case one of them makes like an accident, but it hasn't happened yet. We got this couch from West Elm. It was $3,000, was it? Around that price. But I just feel like all couches are pretty expensive, and everyone's gonna splurge on a couch.
He's literally like French kissing me over here.
We've started a new company called Hunter Hugh, and it is an e-design, interior design company.
Based on your style, we'll be able to source the materials and products and being able to finish your space online and get you a deliverable within 2 weeks.
And this is our bedroom. It's definitely helpful having a master bathroom. Sometimes he'll just take the guest bathroom and I'll take over the master bathroom.
2 bathrooms pretty much save marriages. While she's getting ready, I can get ready at the same time.
We get to places much faster. This is my closet, my AKA girl cave. I get ready in here in the morning without waking my husband up. It's like my little dressing room.
This is my closet, of course. I'm in the hallway. I'm not in the master bedroom. She has a larger of the 2, just where I get fresh. Typically, I'll just take my stuff and go to the guest bedroom. We met, my best friend and her best friend are siblings.
So we met at a barbecue at their other sister's house.
First impressions, I thought she was really cute. Just wanted to see where her head was at and, see if we were compatible.
I had recently got out of a relationship, so first the impression was oh, he's nice. I wasn't really looking for a boyfriend or anything. And then I got this weird number calling my phone, and I was like, who is this? And I found out it was you. We dated for a year and a half. Now we're 3 years married. We would like people to walk away from our home feeling calm and cool. When you come in the space, you don't feel overwhelmed.
Mainly, we just want people to feel accommodated, welcomed, well rested, and enjoy their time with us.
Thanks for watching our sweet digs. To watch more videos, click here.
And to subscribe, click here.